So here's the list of all the stuff we're going to cover really quickly in this video to catch you guys up on the TOAnimate Kickstarter. So if you're thinking of participating and grabbing the TOAnimate Blender animation course, you need to watch this video. Number one, oh my god, I almost hit my camera. Number one, when is it releasing? When is it happening? December 15th. December 15th, keep an eye out for our email. The second we launch, we'll shoot out an email to our newsletter subscribers. So keep an eye out for our emails. Alternatively, you can go to our Kickstarter website. We have a Kickstarter page where you can follow, and Kickstarter themselves will actually email you the second we launch the campaign. So that's another way to keep in touch and figure out when it's happening. Per usual, I'll have links down below in the description, so go check those out. So number two, I'd like to re-clarify that this is a pre-sale. That means when you purchase the Kickstarter, when you participate in the Kickstarter, the course isn't going to be done right away, right after the Kickstarter is over. We're in the process of creating this celestial-sized course. It's going to be the biggest Blender animation course created to date, and so it takes a lot of effort and it takes a lot of time. So the benefits of you actually participating in the Kickstarter, participating in the pre-sale, aside from the massive discount, is that you get to actually make suggestions. Let's say there's a lesson that most courses don't have. You can suggest that. Let's say there's an asset that most courses don't have that you think TOAnimate could benefit from. You can let us know, and that's a lot easier to implement when the course is in the creation stage. The Kickstarter discount reduces after 15 to 20 purchases, making sure that the early birds, the people that are most eager, get the highest amount of discount. So if you're one of those first 15 to 20 people to purchase the course, you'll be purchasing it at a cheaper price than everybody else after you. Now keep in mind, even if you buy at the very last day of the campaign, during the Kickstarter, you're still purchasing the course at the cheapest it's ever going to be, ever. So don't feel like you're missing out if you're not part of those first 15, because the price is pretty much doubling on our full release in mid-2022. Number four, how long does the campaign run for? The Kickstarter campaign is going to run for about 38 days. Now, when the campaign ends, we won't actually get your emails and your payment for about 3 weeks after that. Kickstarter holds the payments and holds all the emails of people that purchased. I'm sure it's like a safety thing for them, but don't be afraid if you don't get an email right away once the campaign ends. It's because we don't actually have your email. So about 3 weeks after the campaign is over when we get your emails, and we can actually send you your access codes and all the files that you need for the course. We'll try and be as transparent as possible with the whole process, just so no one's freaking out. Keep an eye out for our emails just during that process, and also on Kickstarter itself there's a community section, so you guys can check out the community section, and we'll try and keep that as updated as possible for you guys. So if you're ever worried, just see when the last update was, and that should relieve your worries, hopefully. So number 6, the course will not be purchasable after the Kickstarter until our full launch in mid-2022. So once the Kickstarter is over, we won't be pre-selling any more courses. The people that have purchased will get access to the courses as we finish them, so you get live access, but nobody else can actually purchase into TOAnimate until mid-2022 when everything's finished. Uno numero 7. So the benefits of having a Kickstarter is a lot, which is why we chose to go this route. So with this pre-sale, we get to see the interest in this course, and you get to lock in low prices, and you get to actually help mold the course, as we talked about earlier. On top of that, we can have stretch goals. So the more people that actually pre-purchase the course, the bigger budget we have to make the course even bigger for everybody that actually purchased the course at no additional cost to the person buying. So the more people buy, the bigger the course is going to be, because we're pretty much putting everything back into the course aside from all the costs that we have. So the result is a much bigger course that would have been for the same price for the people that actually participated in the pre-purchasing. So I honestly think that's like a really good system. When you're reinvesting the money back into the course, it makes a whole lot of sense to go this route. Number 8 is the different packages we offer. I just want to talk a little bit more about that and give a little bit more detail about what exactly each package entails. So the first package is Blender Basics. This is for Maya, Max, or Cinema 4D animators who already know how to animate, but they would like to be proficient with Blender. They would like to add Blender to their tool belt. As creators of this course, we all have extensive knowledge making a Blender a high-end Blender production, Maya and the 3, which was released in Netflix recently. Now, had I known everything included in this package from day one of production, instead of learning it throughout 2 years, just stumbling over myself, trying to find the most efficient way to animate, it would have saved me hundreds of hours. I'm not kidding, like literally hundreds of hours, because up until the end of production, I was learning things that I was thinking to myself, oh my god, I wish I knew this when I was starting out, because it would have saved me so much time. So this package comes with 30 plus video lessons, including our max rig, our feature quality max rig, and lifetime access to our forums where you can ask Blender questions if you get stuck. Now this is a big pain point when learning a new software. So we decided to add this to every single package. So if you're ever technically stuck or something breaks and you're not sure why it's breaking, you can ask a question and an instructor will answer you. Now, the second package is the animation course. The animation course includes everything in the Blender Basics, as well as additional 75 plus video lessons, PDF versions of each lesson. You get assignments, you get 4 or more exclusive rigs, you get 2 pre-lit and pre-rigged sets ready for you to animate. You also get 50 or more depending on the stretch goals, but the basic package will have 50 audio clips, dialogues for you to animate in, so you don't have to go searching elsewhere. You get multiple rigged props, source files, and of course, the lifetime forum, where if you get technically stuck, you can ask a question and an instructor or another student will get back to you. Now last, but definitely not least, the mentorship package. So this is pretty much the animation course on steroids. So you receive everything in the animation package, in the Blender Basics package, as well as 12 critique sessions from instructors. And this critique session will come in a video recording format. So they will record a video going over your shot, helping you improve and drawing over some of the poses, giving you some better suggestions and whatnot. But that's not all. Once you've gone through the entire course and finished all the assignments, you can send in your reel to be evaluated and we'll help you put your reel together. And that's still not all. You can actually send your resume as well once you've done, and we'll help you with your resume as well. So you get 12 critique sessions on top of the animation course. You can send in your reel once and you can send in your resume once to receive help with. And for all of these packages, these 3 packages, you only pay once. You only pay once, and as we're growing the course and as we're adding lessons and updating lessons and giving new assets, new props, new rigs, price will gradually go up to match that. But again, if you've already purchased the course, you get all that stuff for free. So I think we're at number 9 now. Number 9, what happens after the Kickstarter ends? So about 3 weeks after the Kickstarter ends, when we actually get your emails like we talked about before, we'll be releasing the Blender Basics package to everyone who participated. Afterwards, our focus will be the animation course, which we'll release in chunks to people who participate in the Kickstarter, to the people who actually purchase the animation course and the mentorship package. So you'll receive that live as we finish chunks. You get access to it right away. And this is where you can actually use your mentorship critique sessions once you start receiving the animation course content. You can start using that right away if you like, or you can wait and see what the lessons are like and plan to see where you think you need more help. So number 10, we want the students to have the best possible experience when taking the TOAnimate course. And for us to achieve that, we decided to go with Teachable. With Teachable, you have a very easy time tracking your progress. You can see how much of a video you finished, which video you finished. You can also leave comments on each video. You can get access to the files of each video, and it's very easy to actually find a video that you're looking for. And so once again, we've chosen Teachable to host our course on. Number 11. So since we've showcased our rigs a lot, people have started wondering, does TOAnimate teach rigging? No, we don't teach you to rig characters. TOAnimate currently does not have any character rigging lessons and is solely focused on animation. That being said, we do offer some lessons on creating some basic rigs for props, for example, because we know that could come in really handy as an animator. But just to clarify, right now, TOAnimate is an animation course and not a rigging course. Now, number 12 is a question we've been getting a lot, which is the course going to be finished if the Kickstarter doesn't meet its goal? Now, we're confident that the Kickstarter is going to meet its goal, but on the off chance that it doesn't, the course is going to be finished anyways. It just might take a little bit longer, and it might not be as big as it could have been if the Kickstarter was very successful. Now that being said, again, this course is going to be the biggest Blender animation course released to date. So regardless of Kickstarter excelling or not, the course is still going to be very big. It's just going to take a little bit longer to finish. Now lastly, if you think TOAnimate could help someone you know, please share this campaign with them. I'll have the links to the website and the campaign in our description. And with that, happy animating, and I will see you guys in the next video.